Welcome back. For this tutorial, we are going to look at how to customize the grid, especially the summary for this case. So when you look at the default grid that is generated by E2 framework, it normally has a couple of things. The first one is the title. Sorry, not the title. The first one is the summary, and then it has this particular table, and then after the table it has this it's called a pager. So for this video I want to quickly show you how to move this summary to this below the grid, because normally that's how most websites actually show. So to do this, we need to utilize one property of the Gridview class, and the name of that particular property is called the layout. Okay, so when you look at the layout description, that it says the layout that determines how different sections of the grid view should be organized. So you can just click on it, then you will see what are the organizable items. So by default it does show the summary, and then there's the items. So the items are actually the table that is generated, and then the pager as we had seen previously. So if we want to have the summary below the items, what we need to do is to basically copy this, and then in our code, just before the column section, need to add one property called layout. And then so for the layout we need to change it. I'll move the summary from here to just before the pager. Okay, then remember to add a comma. So when we refresh, okay, interesting. So let me just double check that everything is okay. The layout, items, summary, and then pager. So let me see. I think I'm in the wrong one. Yeah. So this is the table that I was customizing. Now, as you can see, the summary has moved down here. So with the layout property, you can actually make your table look much better by adjusting the order of appearance. That's it. See you in the next video.